Hi guys, and welcome to this week's edition of Home Daddy.
Papa, eating, drinking. Papa, tiny night. Papa, tiny night. Papa, I'll be the mum.
Play with it. Are you getting better from your chickenpox? So just come to clear out Annie's car. It's been written off, so I come to collect all the stuff before it can be scrapped. I say bye-bye to the car. A good little run around. Done a really good job. First car we ever bought when we were married, but now it's dead. You made an octopus. All done then too? That's it for this week's edition of Home Daddy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next week. If you did like the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any comments, don't forget to leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. But if you did like it and you want to come back, we'll see you next week.